Hello, everybody, and welcome to the miracle of Talbina. Talbina is considered barley, but you cook it in different way. 1 spoon of barley mixed with a glass of water to have a good Talbina recipe. The miracle of Talbina is yes, it's miracle because of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that it cures many disease and have many minerals, antioxidants, rich in potassium, magnesium, rich in tryptophan, increase serotonin. So it's have good properties to cure heart, to cure any sadness. So, depression and sadness. When we are speaking of depression, you may listen to that when you have low potassium and lack of potassium, it increases the depression because we need a high amount of potassium and magnesium for your heart, for your body, and to sleep well. You know that if the potassium and magnesium decrease, that means that depressions is elevated, too much elevation. So it cures depression by means of rich in potassium and magnesium, which have an effect of neurotransmitter, help reduce depression situations. Second, due to the presence of antidepressant and antioxidant like vitamin A and vitamin E. You know that vitamin A and vitamin E a high reach of antioxidants, and it's very important for your body, for your health, to cure many diseases. The lack of these vitamins, especially vitamin E and fat soluble vitamins, may expose you to many diseases such as heart diseases, anxiety, depression, and maybe cancer if there is lack of these vitamins, because it's high antioxidant vitamins and your body need it in every single use of cellular to every day. So due to the presence of amino acids such as tryptophan, which participate in the proper functioning of neurotransmitter, especially for the serotonin secretions, acts powerful on psychological state of individually everyone. Recent research Talbina reduced depression, and the Prophet miracle has outstripped scientific truth. For your heart healing, have you heard about heart healing? We may heard about how to protect your heart from atherosclerosis, but have you ever heard about heart healing? Talbina do that to your heart. It do heart healing. It decrease cholesterol, decrease the bad cholesterol, elevates the good cholesterol, and this is good for your heart. The fibers content of Talbina, when it elevated, that's make a good properties and a good advantage for your heart. Talbina relieve the sick heart. Okay, I just put the research and write many things about Talbina for the diabetic patients. Talbina lower the blood sugar level, so and prevent the sudden increase in blood sugar. So Talbina protect you against raising blood sugar suddenly. The second, Talbina, it just clean your liver, clean your gut, makes your gut and stomach, there is no dirt. It cleans the belly as you clean the dirt from your face. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When we speak about osteoporosis, have you ever think about Talbina? Talbina, it has calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, and this is basic elements of the bone. It's not just calcium is important for your bone. Also, phosphorus and magnesium is really important for your bone. And don't forget that the K2 is the key for entering the calcium from your blood to enter in your bone and cure osteoporosis. You know that Talbina has many benefits for your gut, for your stomach. It cleans your gut, it cleans your stomach, it cleans your liver, it makes detoxification of your liver. And for your, you know that Talbina get rid of any water retention, so it helps you when there is any renal problems, as the Talbina take the sodium outside, okay, and put instead potassium, so that help for water retention, so you may urination is better, and then it's good for your kidney properties. So due to the presence of high potassium, establish balance between water and salt in the cell. Talbina contains 400 milligram potassium per 100 gram, help with urine production, so it containing hormone that establish correct blood pressure. Do you know that you can get rid of any inflammation of your stomach and colon? Talbina contains vitamin B6, folate, and this is when there is any deficiency in vitamin K or vitamin B6 and folic, this is may increase the homocysteine level. So Talbina contains vitamin B12 and folate, and many advantage of Talbina. Stimulates stomach activity, cleaning of any toxins. It cleans the belly as you can clean the dirt from your face. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that. So do the recipe Talbina and tell me in the comments what's the results. For me, if I feel sad and any anxiety and I feel depression, I cook Talbina. And something I tell you, you may I think you may not listen about it, that when you add curcumin to Talbina, you can see amazing results. For it's equals there a drug called Prozac, the Prozac effect, the same effect. So it antidepressants. Thank you for watching Dr. Hand. Please subscribe.